This video will show you how to attach your UNICOM rubric to your Grade Center. So what you're going to do first is come down to Course Management, Grade Center, and Full Grade Center. What you're going to do next is go to Create Column. You're going to choose Create Column, and then I would give this a pretty consistent name that will make sense to you and that you can remember. So it might be UNICOM, UC Critical Thinking, if that is the UNICOM goal that is mapped to your course and that you will be assessing. So once you've titled it, you can then come down here, and where it says Add a rubric, you're going to select the rubric that you just imported. So there's our UC Critical Thinking rubric, and I can submit. It'll automatically say to assign the rubric's point value. You can go ahead and say yes to that. And then down here, you'll notice it has attached your rubric. So you see critical thinking, and then can the student see this rubric currently? No. You can change this if you would like. The most important thing for you to change is right here, where it says used for grading. You're going to change that to say used for secondary evaluation. So once you've done those things, scroll down here. And then your final step is going to be to not include the column in the Grade Center calculation because you want the UNICOM assessment to be separate from the running total for the class. You can choose to show the column to students or not as you see fit, and then you click Submit. And that's it.